Hi folks, this is Roger Duffy with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Come join me on a walkthrough here. Should be informative and fun. Welcome aboard a 2002 Sea Ray 360 Sundancer. This is a two-owner boat that has only been in freshwater, was sold new by us, and has always been serviced by us. Let's walk on and see how she looks. Cockpit's in good shape. All the vinyl looks really good. Going up to the helm here. Everything looks to be in good shape. This one has the 8.1s with closed cooling. Looks like we've got about 789 hours. Okay, walking down into the cabin. See what we got. One of the things I like about this boat is the forward stateroom here. It's got a nice sized bed, and there's a pocket door here that closes off for privacy. So this is one of the few boats in this size that has a true private forward stateroom. All the TVs on board have been updated to newer ones, and this boat has great storage on. It's got two hanging, or this is a shelf locker, and here we would have a hanging locker. Plenty of room for a couple to be able to overnight easily on board here. Here's the galley. You see the salon TV is also updated. The refrigerator and freezer have been replaced at some point. All the cabinetry seems in good shape. Got the microwave oven. Plenty of storage here, pots and pans. Stove. Sink here. Here's the head. One nice thing about these is they do have this sliding glass shower door here and a full stand-up shower, so you're not spraying down the whole bathroom just to take a shower in here. A little mid-berth area here. This boat even still has all the original owner's manuals and everything. Take a look at the main distribution panel. You can see the stereo here is looks like it's an Alpine unit. Original would have been a Clarion, so that's something that's been updated. And then this salon sofa, really good sized sofa here, and some good cabinetry along the back. Looking up at the foredeck here, the remote spotlight works. Got the engine compartment open. Let's have a look around. So it's got pretty recent batteries. With the 8.1S Horizon motors whole bilge is really clean. It's dry. Looks good. Got the Westerbeek generator over there. I think this model came with about a 7 kW generator. But everything really looks like it should down here. Looks great. For the right buyer, this boat could come with this slip at North Shore Marina at the Hollows. It's got an outdoor living area with a patio built in. Inside there is a refrigerator, there's a sink, and 3 different dock boxes that can be negotiated for. Thanks for joining us today. I hope it's been informative. If you need any information on this boat or any others, please contact me or any of the other associates here at our 3 locations, Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. See you on the water.